basically, we are here to demonstrate against Yunus, who is illegally take over the power. So, as you know, we are a Bangladeshi Bengali diaspora community. Bengali diaspora community are coming from all over the world, all over the Europe, UK, London. So we are here to protest against the Yunus suppression operation, against minorities, against the people of all people are not safe here. People are suppressed, especially those who are progressive people. Progressive people are they are killing and they are tortured and they are vandalized their home and their business home, and even the woman was raped, and no one is safe. Especially the kids and women are not safe. That's why so many international human rights organizations, Human Rights Watch and other, Amnesty International also express their concern that how the Yunus, who has put a mask that he's ambassador of the peace, but unfortunately over the years when he illegal took over the power last year, 5th August, when the legal prime minister was ousted by the help of the United States. It's like a international plot. But now general people are now in a hell, because general people are talking that we were the safe in previous government, because the kids were safe, women were safe. It doesn't matter what kind of religion, what kind of ethnicity, what kind of political views you are belonging. But unfortunately, now Bangladesh has emerged, as a militant group are emerged, backed by the Yunus. Yunus is backing by the militants, and this is government. That's why people are calling Yunus is the Yunus Karzai, like a Hamid Karzai of the Afghanistan, puppet of he's a puppet of Bangladesh. He's a poster boy of United States. He's a poster boy of CIA. That's why people are protested. He must go. He must resign. He tried to continue the power, and that's what he tried to give our our land, our port to hand over the United States to make a military base. That is absolutely against our sovereignty, against our independence. That's why we are protested. We are coming here that Nobel Norwegian Institute should consider it. They should take back the Nobel, because he is no more the ambassador of peace. He's an ambassador of what it calls anarchy and chaos.
Oh,
that's
why the guy who got Nobel Prize many years ago. The banker.
Bangladesh, Dr. Yunus. That's what we are talking about.